Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we got chicken. And with this chicken, I'm going to be making you guys a creamy chicken and mushroom dumpling noodle soup. Alright, so that's what we're going to be making. So this reason why I said dumpling noodle soup, because these are like dumpling noodles, okay? Right here. Alright, so if you can see that up close, see how fat those are? Okay, and they say dumpling on there, alright? So you're going to need a whole onion, chopped up. Sorry about my hand being rusty, I just got out, got back in the house. Alright, you're going to need some mushroom. This is a cup of mushroom. You're going to need some cilantro right here. Okay, so you're going to probably need like maybe like a quarter of a cup, not even a quarter of a cup. I say an eighth of a cup. You're going to need like an eighth of a cup of carrots, or 2 carrots, whole carrots chopped up. This is the only carrots I had in the house, so that's what it is. Alright, right here is some celery. These 2 stalks of celery chopped up. And I have, for the chicken, I have leg quarters, 3 leg quarters. So this came from my local market, okay? And it's like fresh. It's not got all that injected stuff in there, okay? So that's how they do it here in my town, Peoria. So yeah, these are 2 chicken breasts right here. You're gonna need 2 Campbell cream of chicken, or whatever choice of cream of chicken you can buy or afford. Now right here I have some seasoning packs from my Roman noodles. I got 2 packs of those. Now if you don't have these, you can use some bouillon cubes, okay? I say use probably about 6 of those. Now right here I have some chicken broth, some chicken base. Right here guys, if I let you guys see that. Yeah, it's kind of blurry a little bit, but that's what that is. We're going to put like maybe like 2 tablespoons of that in there also. Right here is some complete seasoning right here. We're going to use probably a tablespoon of that. We have some cinnamon. I said no cinnamon. We have some ground ginger right here. We're going to use a teaspoon of that. Granulated onion. You know how it gets down with that. I'm going to put a tablespoon of that in there. Put half a teaspoon of cumin. Grinded up cumin up in there. Tablespoon of garlic by Lawry's. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. Grounded up turmeric. Now when you use these 2 right here, the cinnamon, I mean not the cinnamon, I keep saying cinnamon. The ginger and this right here, this turmeric is very healthy for you, okay? This takes away a lot of inflammation. It's really good. Viable that you use that. Okay, now I have a pot over here. Now in this pot I have water. Now I use the water machine, you know, filter water when I cook my chickens and stuff like that. So in that pot I have like I have 7 cups of cold water in there. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this up, and we're gonna put all these ingredients in that pot. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and put our celery and stuff in there. Yes, I'm gonna cook it all in here. Put it all up in there. Some people like to, you know, wait till it get close to being done, then they put it in there. I like mine kind of soft. I'm gonna put these mushrooms in there as well. Cilantro. Put that in there. My onions. Put that in there. Cause I want some intense flavor from, you know, in my meat. So that's why I'm cooking it like that. Alright, so I did I didn't have enough room on the table, but I'm gonna put like some red pepper flakes in there. We're gonna put like a half a teaspoon of that. Just like that. Black pepper, half a teaspoon. Just like that. Alright, get a half a teaspoon of this turmeric. That's it. Good stuff, guys. You guys gotta try it, man. Please try it. I'm telling you now, I'm the king of making soup. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna say I'm the best, but I am the king to me in making this soup. And it's so healthy for you. Half a teaspoon of this ginger. Alright, cumin. We're gonna go with half a teaspoon of that. Half a teaspoon of that. So this is the onion granulated. We're gonna do a tablespoon. This is a teaspoon I'm working with too, guys, okay? So that you know. Alright. This is the garlic salt. We're doing a tablespoon of that. Just like that. We're gonna go with a teaspoon of this complete seasoning. Just like that, guys. All right, we got our seasoning package right here. We're gonna put those in there, both pack, guys. Oh, both of them, okay? We're gonna let this cook go, guys, on medium for about a good hour. Okay, there goes the other pack. Alright. Now we're going to take us a tablespoon of this chicken base. Let me see if this is going to be probably all of it right here. That's a tablespoon. You see how that's a heaping teaspoon, so that's a tablespoon for me. So we're going to scoop that out of there, off of the spoon rather. See if I can get some of that off of my finger. Just like that. Just move this around up in here. And talking about something good, I'm trying to tell you, this creamy chunky chicken and mushroom dumpling noodle soup gonna be off the chain. I love soup, guys. I don't know about you guys, but I love it. Alright. So that's that. So we're gonna go ahead and cook this up, and I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just took most of this meat up out of the pot. You see how all my water went down? I'm letting it cook for like that hour. So this is what I'm working with right here. So I like mine soup. So I don't know about you, but I'm gonna put 2 more cups of water in here. That's hot water. And here's my chicken. I'm gonna have to let this cool down before I get to picking it and all that stuff. It tastes really good. Chicken is super flavorful. Let me see if you guys can get that piece. Go ahead and sample that piece right there. There you go. Woo! Pretty good. Pretty good. Now while this cooling off, I'm gonna go ahead and add these cream of chicken in here. And you can always taste your broth. It's right on time. You can always add salt to yours later. I normally eat my chicken soup with hot sauce or Tabasco sauce. So if someone else wanna put some salt in theirs, they can do that as well. But this is what I normally do. And you see like all this stuff right here, I'm just gonna put some hot water in there and get that out. Not a lot, just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit while I take this other one, open it up. Now if you let it sit on the stove while it's cooking, it tends to come out a little bit easier. See that? Alright, see I got stuff in there. I want all that out of there. That's hot. So I'm gonna put this over here. Shake this around. So I can get something out of there. I don't like taking a spoon and scraping up in there, you know what I'm saying? Because you may get some metal or whatever, I don't know. I'm just saying. You know, get whatever you can, a little bit like this. You don't even be scraping with no metal like that. See how I'm going around it real nice and smooth. That's it on that. The hot water got too hot, so see that? Yeah. See if I can get that out of there. I want all that flavor. Alright guys. Go ahead and throw that away. I'm gonna let this go ahead and get thick. Cause we done with the chicken. Okay, now it is some pieces in here that I can take out, you know, took off from the breast. Okay, so we're just gonna let that cook, guys. When this get thick or whatever, and I peel this stuff off, then we're gonna put our noodles in there. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Put all the meat in there. And boy, did I have fun taking it off that bone. I ain't gonna even lie to you. When it tastes good, boy, it makes you want to eat them bones, I'm telling you. Okay, that's the chunks. Now, I did leave the skin on mine. You guys, if you don't like skin, then take it off. My kids don't like it. That's why I leave it on there. Don't tell nobody. Doesn't mean they ain't gonna mess with it too much. I know I'm wrong, but hey, I can eat this whole pot of soup, no doubt about it. Alright, so we're going to go in here with these noodles, these dumpling noodles. Alright, it's going to soak up a lot of that fluid, a lot of this juice. I like mine like kind of al dente a little bit, with a little bite to it. I don't want them mushy, in other words. So you see that? That's right. Creamy, chunky, chicken and mushroom dumpling noodle soup. Ooh, I will say I can eat this all week, but it don't last long at all. I wouldn't be surprised if this pot be gone by the end of the day. And it's gonna be good. Ooh wee. Alright guys, I'm just go ahead and let this cook up. And when it gets done, it should take no more than probably about 10 minutes. Cause the meat is already done. We just want the noodles to get done. Alright guys. Alright. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is right here. You guys see that up close. Creamy, chunky chicken and mushroom dumpling noodle soup. So if you guys like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching. And I'm out.